This is Erica. We're here with Oaklyn. We missed good light by like 10 minutes. So she's gotten quite a bit bigger. And actually her coat's, we gave her a bath and brushed her all out and her coat's looking nice. Hi. Hi, love. Does she like to run around with you too, Amy?
Yeah.
Oops, hello.
I love you. I love you.
She said, Emmy, let's run a little more, Emmy.
You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl.
Hi. Hello. Boy, that flash is bright right in your face.
Oh, good girl.
Take her down almost to the fence and bring her back. Let's see how fast she can go.
Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl.
She loves the hugs, huh? She's not quite sure about those cows. She's like, what's going on over there? What's going on with those cows, huh? What's going on with those cows? Cows and neighbor dogs and all kinds of crazies.